Meaning of dinner dance.
Dinner dance.
Dinner dance.
Dinner dance.
Dinner dance. A dinner dance typically refers to a formal social event where guests are served a meal and then proceed to dance together. It is a combination of a formal dinner and a dance party, often held in ballrooms or similar venues. The purpose of a dinner dance is to provide an elegant and sophisticated atmosphere for guests to enjoy good food, music, and dancing. This type of event is often associated with fundraising events, charity galas, weddings, and other special occasions where guests can dress up and enjoy an evening of dining and dancing.